Morning, preppers. Yep. Just finished the old workout, did a little bit of stretching, and now I'm off to workout number 2. Got to do a little bit of running. Super sucks, but it's got to be done. You may notice the sound is a little different today. A little more clear, surprisingly more clear. And that's because of these little Chinese doodads I just picked up that are, they seem to be pretty awesome. Got little magnets on the ear thing so that they stick down around your head. Getting set up here, getting all parked. Hey. And so this morning, got a lot of stuff on the laundry list. So many things. But I wanted to talk to you about that new thing, that new variant. And you know I'm not a real big believer in some of this stuff. Obviously it exists. Obviously people died. And some people are hinting about it. Some people are slowly coming out. And here's the big what if. And I think Pinball hit on this. There was an article on it 2 days ago that said, what if? So I'm going to say it. What if? What if this variant ends the whole thing? What if everybody gets it? What if it gives you the acquired immunity without killing you, and this is over? Wouldn't that be super? Wouldn't that be awesome? Yeah, I think it would, but let's play devil's advocate, because there's people that don't want this to happen. And there's people that just nefarious and flat out evil and very, very dangerous. But there's people that you know that don't want this to go away, because they've already been brainwashed. They've already been twisted up in their little minds about what is and isn't right, and what is good and what isn't good. And to those people, I would say, follow the science. Oh, those magical words. Follow the science. And I would start before 2019. That's when I would start following the science. Okay, so after this run, got to do a bunch of Patreon stuff. Looked at the weather forecast. Looks like Thursday's Fireside live stream is still a go. It's still a go. Oh yeah, so I saw that there wasn't a lot of likes on my last video, and that's okay, because if you guys remember, when I started this, I told you I wasn't doing it for you anymore. I was doing it for me. You're gonna love the next video that comes out. The sound is awful, absolutely awful, because I did it from the bunker, and that bunker may be getting moved too, by the way, so be ready for that. Be ready for primary, alternate, and tertiary positions to be established. I think I'm going to trim this today, and yeah, because it's really starting to get like growing in really weird places. All right, I'm running out of things to talk about. Just wanted to say good morning. As usual, stay safe, have a great day, and if you, yeah. Boop.